Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a simple DC voltage polarity tester. Here's our battery, and these are the probes, red for positive, black for negative. Check out these resistors. They limit the current so our LEDs don't get damaged. And here are the LEDs. Green lights up for correct polarity, red for wrong polarity. So connect the battery correctly, green lights up. Reverse it, and red lights up. It's a super easy way to check DC voltage and make sure your polarity is right. And next, I'll walk you through building this circuit and testing it live.